In this 2-minute tutorial, I will show you how to create a daily planner template in Canva, and how to turn the template into a 120-page low-content journal that you can sell on Amazon KDP or Etsy. To start off, click on Create a New Design, type in Planner, and select the Daily Planner template in the popular 8.5 by 11 inches format. Next, pick one of the pre-made templates on the right side, and change the colors of the template by clicking on the styles. There are a lot of styles to choose from, so you can modify the template to your own liking. Feel free to experiment with different fonts and colors until you're satisfied. Once your template is done, we need to duplicate the page to create our planner notebook. Click the small icon on top of the template to start the process. I will speed up the video until I have 120 pages, which is the standard size for planners and journals to sell on KDP and Etsy. Canva automatically saves your design, but I always save the design manually just to be sure. When done, click on the Share button to download the PDF template to your computer. Make sure all the pages are selected, pick PDF print, flatten the PDF, and download in RGB format. Open the PDF after downloading the file, and check if the format is correct. If you need to make any changes, you can go back to Canva, and repeat the process. That's it. Now you can upload the PDF file to Amazon KDP, Etsy, Gumroad or any other digital download store. You can now create as many templates as you wish, and sell them either as printable templates or full journals online. If you don't like to do all the work by yourself, and you just want to download and sell ready-made templates, then check out my KDP template store on Gumroad. You can buy any template, modify it in Canva or any other publishing program, and sell them as low-content journals, planner or notebooks online for good money. I will drop the link to my Gumroad shop below. Let me know if you have any questions, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel if you found this video useful. Have a great day.